nicely done, very nicely done. Let's hear it for your bride and groom.
Dearly beloved, you have come together in this church so that in the presence of the church's minister and this community, your intention to enter into marriage may be strengthened by the Lord with a sacred seal. Through a special sacrament, he enriches and strengthens those he has already consecrated by holy baptism, that they may be faithful to each other forever and assume all the responsibilities of married life. And so in the presence of the church, I ask you to state your intentions.
You're my miracle, my sweet contrary, bone-dry hysterical, and my wild cherry. This is my favorite dream.
Courtney, I can't believe our big day is finally here. I can't wait to see your beautiful self walk down the aisle. I don't think I have enough room on this paper to express how excited I am and how lucky I am to have you in my life. You are the most caring, compassionate, loving, and smart person I know. I truly believe we were meant to meet and spend the rest of our lives together. You make me a more complete and better person each day we are together. I can't thank you enough for the support and love you've given me when times were tough and uncertain. I do have some promises for you. I promise to always take the trash out, clean the dishes, cut the lawn, and cook dinner. I promise to keep getting us hooked on nonsense TV shows like The Challenge, Married at First Sight, and Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. I promise to make you watch every WVU and Eagles game until the end of time together. I promise to be goofy and try to brighten your day when you're down or tired. I promise to call you Boo Child in front of our family and friends. I promise to take long, relaxing walks with you when we are at the beach. I promise I may not always have the most secure job, but I will always work my ass off to provide for our family so you don't have to. I promise to be the best father to our children. I promise to try and push us out of our comfort zone, to try new adventures. I promise to kiss you goodnight every night and say I love you. Love, Marco. So cute.
Marco, I don't know how I can put into words how grateful I am to walk down the aisle to you and become Mrs. Detta. I'm so thankful for the sunny day we met at the Ocean Drive, where both of our lives were changed forever. You are generous and kind, gracious and strong, funny and wonderful. You supported me in ways I didn't know I needed. You guided me, protected me, and fight for me. My life is and always will be better with you in it. You are my family. I promise to hold your hand through adventures, excitement, hard times, and disappointments. I promise to be loyal to you and love you when it's easy and when it's hard. I promise to put you and us above all else. I promise to laugh at your Kevin Hart impressions, cheer for the Eagles, respond to your crazy nicknames, fix the back of your hair, and slow dance with you in the kitchen. I don't know what life will bring, but I do know with you, it will always be funny and quirky and wonderful. I can't wait to spend my life with you, and I know, without a doubt, the best is yet to come. I love you so much, your child. See you at the altar. Love, Courtney. Marco,
take you, Courtney,
take you, Courtney,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I promise to be faithful to you
I promise to be faithful to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love you
to love you
and to honor you
and to honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
I, Courtney,
Take you, Marco,
take you, Marco,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you
I promise to be faithful to
in
you
good times and in
in
bad,
good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love you
to love you
and to honor you
and to honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
It is now my privilege to introduce to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Marco Detta.
Courtney and Marco, just two peas in a pod. I could not be happier today to see you two officially commit yourselves to one another. I love you both so much and could not think of two people more perfect for each other. You have both grown into such amazing people. Courtney, you are the most loyal person I know. I am so honored to be your best friend. You would go to the ends of the earth for the ones you love and have built lasting friendships throughout these years. This is very evident as you are surrounded by friends and family today who all love you. Marco, I know you already know this, but never take that loyalty and love for granted. Marco, never lose your positive attitude, your love for fun, your high energy, and your nicknames. Boo child.
Marco is not a man of many words or much for conversation. His words or his thoughts are his alone and his alone. My sister and I would take turns having conversations, compare notes. So what did he tell you? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. However, since Courtney came into the picture, Marco does not shut up. Marco and Courtney, it's clear to me that you two are very special together and you are great for each other. You guys will accomplish many great things together. Courtney, I am honored and glad to have another sister, friend, and officially welcome you to the Detta family.